How to clear app data on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app data and cache on your Android device in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, simply tap on manage apps. And here on the new page you'll see the list of apps. From here you can simply scroll down to the app of which you want to delete the app data. For example, I will delete the app data of Canva. So I'm going to simply tap on it, and here once you're inside the app settings, on the bottom right corner you can see the option labeled as clear data. So simply tap on that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu you will see two options: clear all data and clear cache. So first here we're going to clear cache, so I'm going to simply tap on clear cache, and after that a confirmation message will pop up. From there simply tap on OK, and with that the cache has been cleared successfully. And after that, to clear all data, simply tap on the option labeled as clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, a confirmation message will pop up. From there, simply tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can clear app data on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.